Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y52 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can add screen lock on this Vivo. Firstly, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down and choose security. Then click on screen lock and pick one of the lock methods: swipe, pattern, pin or password. Click at the chosen one and enter it. Then choose next at the bottom right corner, repeat it and choose confirm. Now you need to decide how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications. I don't want any, so I will go with don't show notifications at all and click done at the bottom right corner. So now when I turn off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!